Hello again and welcome to today's video brought to you by the Knowledge Chest on navigating Microsoft Word with NVDA Lesson 9. Today, I would like to discuss manual bullets, creating numbered lists, and a touch on multi-level lists. I just want to state that, as mentioned in the beginning of this tutorial on navigating Microsoft Word with NVDA, this isn't a Microsoft course. This entire tutorial is primarily focused on NVDA and how it handles Word. So let's jump in and start with manual bulleted lists. To manually create a bulleted list, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. This adds a bullet to the current paragraph, and if multiple paragraphs are selected, each will be bulleted, including any blank lines. Press Enter after a bulleted paragraph to add another bullet in the same style. Adjust the list's indent by pressing the Applications key and selecting Adjust List Indents. Press U. A dialog will appear to change the bullet position and spacing. You can also use the paragraph format dialog or shortcut keys to modify the hanging indent. To remove bullets and revert to normal text, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Creating numbered lists. Numbered lists are similar to bulleted lists with each item numbered automatically. Here are different styles you can use. 1. Number followed by a period. 1. Number followed by a right parenthesis. 1. Number within parentheses. 1 greater than, number followed by a greater than sign. 1. Number followed by a hyphen. You can also use letters and Roman numerals A, B, C, or A, B, C, I, E, T, or I, 2, 3. Unlike symbols, numbering won't change automatically. If you start with 1, each item will be a number followed by a period. Creating multi-level lists. For more complex lists with multiple levels, you can create sub-items. After creating a list item, press Tab to indent it, making it a sub-item. Lists can have up to 9 levels, though it's usually best to avoid too many levels for clarity. When you press Enter, the new item will be at the same level as the previous one. To move an item up one level, press Shift plus Tab. The style of the multi-level list varies. For numbered lists, the second level uses letters, and the third level uses Roman numerals. For bulleted lists, the second level has an open circle, and the third level has a filled square. And that is all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this content useful at all.